What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we get back the RX7. I'm so freaking excited for this because I knew from the minute we bought the RX7 that the engine was gonna last forever, if you know what I mean. It was not in the best condition, so now it's rebuilt, good to go. So let's go get the car. Also, guys, we'll probably do a garage tour pretty soon because there's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't showed you yet, so look for that soon. Does anyone else get like this very nervous feeling when you pick up your car from any shop? And then this is not to bag any shop. I get so nervous. I'm like, did they do it correctly? Did they fix it correctly? It's gonna blow up. What if the thing catches on fire? Let me know down in the comments because that's how I feel right now. All right, guys, so got the car back here. Let's talk about it. So basically, let's explain kind of what happened and what was done, what's to be expected, what's next for this car. Before we talk about what was done to the car, I need you guys to do me a favor. Actually, not now, at the end of the video. Please go ahead and go to originalcascade.com, cop yourself the best flannel you will ever own in your life. We also have hats, shirts representing the one of one VW single cab pickup, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, guys, the more we grow the business, the more we grow the brand, we get to do more crazy stuff like the VW build. So we really appreciate it, guys. originalcascade.com. Let's keep going. So basically what happened was, obviously, like I said to you guys many times, this thing was a drift car, meaning it always was bouncing off the rev limiter. So eventually the engine had to give, and basically that's exactly what happened. It didn't quite blow up fully, meaning the seal didn't completely crack or something like that. It was just about to, in the very beginning stages of going bad, slowly leaking coolant into the engine. So I was like, dude, just go ahead and pull it out. And while you're there, if you see anything else that was that need to be attended to, go ahead and yank it out and replace it. And sure enough, that's what we did. So obviously this car just had a major service, pretty much everything done. So basically what needs to happen now is we gotta put 500 miles on the engine, just very casual, 1 to 3,000, 4,000 max RPM, just to break it in, and then we bring it back, get it off of the base tune, and start, doing the fun stuff like two-step and all the bangs and pops. And now, guys, let's talk about what's next for this car. So, I mean, if you look at it, there's not much you can do more to it, if that makes sense. So, I guess to start off, the over fenders here are just held on by screws, which looks like, really tacky. So what I want to do is just get some rib nuts and then take care of that, make it look more flush, which I actually already have. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And as far as interior, this is my main concern. We already have seats, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in once everything else is, looking good. Because right now, I don't want to go in and out of these the new seats I have inside, because I don't want it to look like this. And also, the cage, I want to have it repowder coated. So I'll give you a hint on the seats. They are red. So I'm debating if I should also powder coat these red to match the seat, or if I should repowder coat this to match the exterior color. Let me know in the comments, because that is something I'm not really sure about yet. And then also, just finishing up the center console, stuff like that. The dash, the carbon dash that you guys saw earlier, we need to attend to, because as you can see here, the Velcro didn't really work as planned. It just kind of came off. So I think I'm gonna also do kind of a rib nut thing to make sure it's easy to take off, but it's still secure at the same time. And then as far as the back, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, because I mean, the guy took the time to paint the whole thing, but I think it'll look cooler leaving it like this than covering it with the original interior stuff. And obviously that's just an extra cost, which I don't think will pay off. And obviously you got stuff like the dash, sorry, not dash, door cards. And also I can't go anywhere because there's no locks on the freaking door. So you know, just little stuff like that I want to get done, because it doesn't look like a finished car in here. It just looks like a race car, you know, just like the exterior. I want to make this thing stand out. You know, you don't see the kit. That's the V3 kit, the REB3 kit on this car. Pretty much, I haven't seen another one in the US. Thank God, though, the guy before us didn't put the backside on, because that did not look good. So thank God he left it kind of OEM. But yeah, guys, let me know if you want to see anything specific in the car, interior, exterior, and then hopefully it'll get more fun when we can put 500 miles on this thing, get it retuned, and yeah, kind of go from there and get all the pops and bangs and start doing some cool videos. That's gonna be it for today. I guess you can call it the restoration of this thing, because at this point it is a restoration. The restoration of the FD RX7 will continue, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And please give this video a thumbs up, comment something, anything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Have a good one.